Hello, this is Paul Tuan. Today I want to talk about food culture English, one of my favorite restaurants. So let's start it. So one of my favorite restaurant is called Pure Square. The Chinese name is called Zhenju Fang, and it's a Cantonese cuisine restaurant, and it's located in Howard Hotel in Taipei City. Okay, next. The menu is about this restaurant is all you can eat, and it has two types of the set. The price of the adult set is about 700, and the child set is about 400. And the last time I went to this restaurant is about a month ago, I think. And then the food, every time I went there, I always like to order mainstream with lettuce. And it's very easy to make it. You can the easy way you can just put on the mainstream on lettuce, and it very tastes very, it's very good and very refreshing. And the decor of this restaurant they use in this really are very spacious, and using pendant on ceiling, and all the place is about they use Chinese style decorations. The atmosphere is very well prepared, and sometimes it's kind of very busy because when the dinner time is, people is getting crowded in this restaurant, and sometimes and this restaurant is very soft and very natural. That's just what I like it. And my rating of this restaurant, I will give 4 stars of 5. And like I said, if you need to make a reservation earlier because this restaurant it can only accept the reservation. If you want to make a reservation, you need to make a seven make a you need to make 7 days before. Yeah, because people is get very hard to get a reservation of this restaurant. It's very popular. And I will recommend people if people like to eat Cantonese food, I will really recommend this restaurant. So that's my presentation. Okay, peace out.